happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Advent day number 7. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this looks good. Looks like one of the rollers. Thieves roller. Hello. One of my absolute favorite oils is Thieves because we use the Thieves essential oil in a tea. So when the sore throat comes, we do hot water and lemon and Thieves. What am I forgetting? Oh, and honey. And there's one other one too. Right?
Copaiba.
Copaiba. That's the like settling one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm struggling getting this off.
They're super hard to open.
I'm gonna try turning it.
Now we'll see. What's that?
I said try turning it.
This is brand new as of this year.
Oh,
Like it just came out for the
really
holidays.
Exciting. But I literally cannot get it open.
Oh no.
Okay, sorry people.
Not the thieves. Well, you know the story of thieves.
What is the story of Thieves, camera lady? Tell us.
You're kind of like a thief right now.
I'm struggling.
They would go during the Black Plague and rob the graves. They were grave robbers, literal thieves. And when they were caught, everyone was like, how did you not die, basically, or catch the Black Plague? And for pardon, they gave the ingredients they put in their masks, and that is what we put in our Thieves essential oil. So that's why we call it Thieves.
This is
It still
crazy.
can't be open. Seriously?
okay.
That's
We're gonna-
unbelievable.
Okay, see if you can.
The roll-ons
So why
are
we
so
wait?
convenient.
We'll tell the thieves story.
We already
Okay.
did.
It's not very long.
How many tools does it take to get this open?
Or does it just pull off?
You're a strong like bull.
Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Oh, myself, oh, his brother. Oh, I thought you had it. Okay. Wow, this
feel
is
it.
crazy.
Oh.
Okay, you know what? This is probably a great, honest
It's a
video.
dog
So
proof.
anybody else who gets this, yeah, your
Can
kids
you
won't be
try?
getting into it. All right, this is ridiculous.
I
Hold
like
on.
the
Is
magic
this supposed
touch.
to
Yeah.
crack it like an egg?
This, okay.
Wait, can I try?
I've never had.
Well, I can tell you this right now. That thing is like $30 alone. So that is
I knew this was a great Advent
so
calendar to
exciting.
get. I just didn't know. No, Mr. One-Hander, you're not doing it.
You can obviously make your own roller with thieves in it, but I am telling you what, I've had a couple of different Young Living made rollers. They're so much stronger than I could ever even make. You could put the whole bottle of Thieves in it, it still wouldn't be as strong as their roller. I don't know, something about them.
This is crazy.
Do you crack it like an
Oh my
egg?
gosh.
Going on 3 minutes here.
Oh,
Trying to open this.
this is crazy.
3 minutes.
Seal is broke.
Huh?
The seal is broke.
Yeah.
It's literally just not
Pull this one up.
Watch it be one of those where you're like, oh, just tap the bottom. Oh.
There it goes. Yeah, pull it up. You're doing it. Yep. I see white. I see white. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, didn't you mean?
I see London. I see France.
Okay, this is crazy.
Okay, so that's what I thought.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Now
The
my
first
granny's
gift
going away.
of Christmas.
Oh,
For
yes.
that bottle.
Wow.
Mmm.
How's it smell?
It's leaking.
Oh no. It's because y'all were shaking and
Can you
stirring.
come here?
Yeah.
Okay, so my son, he's been battling a cold, right? Because you're not really sick.
Yeah, not really.
On the
Okay, do me a favor,
spine.
rub your hands together.
Activate those molecules.
I want aromatherapy. Okay, don't you know how to cup your hands for somebody?
No, I've never done this for someone.
Oh, it's so light. I think if you're not a huge fan of Thieves, I think you'll like this.
Ah.
It's really light. You can smell it. It smells really good. What do you think?
I like it.
Go ahead. Aromatherapy yourself.
I do like the smell of Thieves. It's probably
This is one of my favorites. No, it's not.
No, it's
You're the
good
one who drinks the
for
most of
you.
Teas. He drinks a lot of teas.
Yeah, he's a Thieves tea addict.
Takes it to school and everything. All right. Yay. Well, that's exciting. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry, this is kind of a long, drawn-out video. Hope you found a little comedy in the multiple tool aspect. Get yourself some Thieves from Young Living.
Definitely.
It's a great roller.
Immune booster.
Yes.
It will
Thanks for
heal you.
watching.